Hi there, this is Maths with Angela, doing a bit more on negative numbers. I wanted to remind you of the rules and to show you that it could be written in a slightly different way when you've got two symbols next to one another. So you see they've put a bracket around this one here. It doesn't need to be there, they're just stressing the point that this symbol here belongs to the two and is telling you what to do with the two. Okay, so we need to use our usual replacing symbols here, yeah? So if you have a negative and a negative together like this, you will replace it with a positive, okay? So that's going to be replaced with a positive, okay? If you say had something different, say you had a positive and a negative together like here, you would replace it with a negative. Okay, so these two here will be replaced with a negative. Okay, the other ones that you could possibly have is a negative and a positive together, which will replace with a negative, and then more unusual, you have a positive and a positive next to each other, which will just still be positive. Okay, so let's have a look at G and K. So if I've got this one here, I'm going to do my first number, which is 7, and instead of this double symbol here, I'm going to replace it with a plus, and then I have my 2 here. So my final answer is, what do you think? Yeah, it's 9. Okay then, right, let's do this one here. So we start off with -6. So you can think of a number line, you're down at -6, and you're replacing this with a minus, and you've got 4 here. Okay, so you're at -6 and you're taking away 4, so you're getting even colder than -6. So what would your answer be? Yep, -10. Okay, if you're not getting the same answers as me, use a number line and move down, yeah? So for instance, if I had the number line for this here, I start at -6, okay? And these are my numbers going up, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So if my sum was to do -6 plus 4, I would start at -6 and I would add on 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I end up at -2. Yeah, okay. So hopefully that's helpful. Right, let's have a look at this table. So this table here is a way of adding negative and positive numbers together. So this one here would be -4, add on -5. Yeah, so if I write it on in here, -4, add on -5. So remember, I replaced this with a, yeah, you remembered, a negative. So I end up with -4, take away 5. So you're at -4 and you're going back 5 spaces. So you end up at -9. Okay, all right. So let's take this one here. We've got -4, add on 3. So -4, add on 3. Okay, so you're at -4, add on 3, 1, 2, 3, you end up at -1. Okay, all right then, so I hope that's helpful. Have a go at the questions, and hopefully you'll understand it. Okay, bye for now.